Meaning of eel.
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 Eel. An eel is a type of long, snake-like fish that can be found in both saltwater and freshwater environments around the world. They have a slimy, scaleless body and a long dorsal fin that runs along their back. Eels are famous for their ability to generate electric shocks, which they use to navigate and communicate with one another. Some species of eels are also considered a delicacy in certain parts of the world and are often consumed raw or cooked in various dishes. Overall, eels are fascinating and unique creatures that play an important role in aquatic ecosystems.